Hello friends, I am Shibu Pal. Welcome to Shibu tutorial channel. First of all, good morning. Today is a very special day for all Indians. We live in India. In India, Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. Indian peoples had to face various struggles at the hands of the British rules to get freedoms. Finally, India gets freedom from the British rules in 1947. The great freedom fighters behind this freedom are Bhagwat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. This day is celebrated as a holiday all over India. This main event of Independence Day is celebrated at Red Fort in Delhi. There the Prime Minister of India raises the flag and speaks for the country. So we feel proud to be born in this great country like India. Thank you.